Let the story breeze begin. Now close your eyes. In a land where leaves whispered and the sky murmured, there lived a giraffe with a big heart. In the land of leafy light, where trees tickled the clouds and butterflies whispered bedtime songs, lived a giraffe named Numi. Numi had the tallest neck in the valley and the gentlest heart in the sky. She could see the sunrise before anyone else and wave to the stars before bedtime, but sometimes Numi felt a little lonely. The animals below played tag and hide and seek, but Numi was too tall to hide and too gentle to run fast. "I wish I had a friend who felt the world like I do," she whispered one morning to the wind. That day, Numi walked quietly through the whispering tree forest. The trees were swaying gently, and the leaves danced like little secrets in the air. Suddenly, a tiny voice called out, "Hello? Is someone up there?" Numi bent her long neck down and saw a little turtle stuck between two roots. "My name is Mino," said the turtle. "I followed a falling leaf, and I think I imagined too far." Numi smiled kindly. "Imagining is a wonderful thing. Let's get you out of there." Carefully, she lifted the root. Mino slowly wiggled free. They sat together on a rock, watching the light move across the forest floor. "Do you always watch the sky?" Mino asked. "Don't you wonder what's going on down here?" Numi paused. It was the first time someone had asked not what she could see, but what she couldn't. "Then you must tell me," said Numi. "Tell me what the earth whispers to you." And Mino told her about ants' hidden tunnels, about mushrooms growing in secret places, about how dew sounds when it lands on a snail shell. Numi listened with her whole heart. Then she told Mino about when the clouds start to dance, about how the sun paints gold on the sky just before bedtime. From that day on, they were always together. They walked slowly, they listened deeply, and sometimes they simply stayed quiet. They were different, one tall, one small, one fast, one slow, but their hearts beat in the same rhythm. One evening, when the stars were just falling asleep, Numi and Mino sat side by side. They said nothing, looking in the same direction, resting in the same feeling, and the breeze of friendship whispered gently through the valley. If you had a friend like Mino or Numi, what would you share with them in silence?